In 1990, John Stomps and Rick Cale started Total Transportation of Mississippi. As their reputation grew, so did the company, allowing them to add new terminals across the country and offer new services to customers while adding more drivers and trucks. Today, Total is one of America's top trucking companies and still growing by staying true to its values.
We value the relationships we have built with our customers.
This great accomplishment could never have happened without our fantastic drivers.
Together, we'll continue to grow safely.
We are excited about the future.
John Stomps and Rick Cale started Total Transportation with a couple of trucks and the value of their word. Together, with our drivers, our customers, and our relationship with U.S. Xpress, we have reached this milestone.
Total Transportation is where you need to be.